Doubles is something kids worked on starting in like first grade, right? Counting 2, 4, 6, 8. Learning how to double things is an important mathematical skill. And so the first thing we would do, given a problem, and let's stick with the 337 divided by 12, is we would make a list of doubles for 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24, right? So there's one group of 12, here's two groups of 12, and then I would say, okay, 24 plus 24 is 48. So that would be four groups of 12, and I keep going. 48 plus 48, 8 and 8 is 16, 96. That would be double 4, 8 groups of 12, and then we go again, 96, oops. 96 plus 96, 6 and 6 is 2, carry the 1, 18, 19, 192. That would be 16 groups, and I keep going until I surpass the number I have. So then 192 plus 192, I'm running out of room, is 4, 8, 384. Supposed to be a 4 down there. And that's 32 groups, but that's bigger than my number here. So it looks like I only need to look up to 16. And then I'm just going to rewrite it a little bit different. I'm going to kind of write it in the standard way we do for a lot of division problems. And this symbol is kind of different than a division symbol like that. And I'm going to go back to something I think it was Amanda mentioned. She used the phrase goes into. And the blue one up here is 337 divided by 12. And I can't really read this the same way because we usually read left to right. So if I start reading this from the 12, I can't say 12 divided by 337. That's totally not what I see here. That's 12 goes into 337. So it's a good idea to call this symbol something. It's not really a division symbol, but it is. It's different than this division symbol, but the numbers change direction. They changed orientation, and that messes a lot of kids up. So we have three division symbols, and we have the goes into symbol. Okay. So again, what do I mean by that? Well, we have this division symbol there. We also have the slash 337 slash 12. Or we could write it as a fraction, 337 over 12. So the fraction bar is a division symbol, that forward slash is a division symbol, and this funky thing here is a division symbol. This right here is the goes into symbol. You could call it the long division symbol, but it is different than the other three symbols because it changes the orientation of the numbers, and that is troublesome for some kids. All right, so I write it in the goes into way, and then I just pick the biggest group I can in my doubles, which would be 192. So then I am going to subtract 192 here, and I'm going to make a note that I'm taking out 16 of them, and then do the subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5. So I have to borrow there. So I got 145. And then I can't take any more 192s out, but I can go to the 96. I can take out 8 of them. So then I'm going to subtract 96, which is 8 of them, and then do the subtraction. So I got to borrow here. 15 minus 6 is 9. And then 13 minus 9 is 4. And let's see, so I'm done with 96. I go to 48. So subtract 48, make a note that you're taking out 4 of them. And subtraction there is pretty straightforward. We get a 1, and we're done. We didn't need any of the 24s. This worked out quite well. So what do we get? 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 4 is 28, with a remainder of 1, which I think we got it the other way using a different group repeated subtraction. So the group repeated subtraction with doubles is we make a list of doubles, And we make a note of how many doubles I have, right? So, or how many 12s I have in this case. So there's 1 12, 2 12s, 4 12s, 8 12s, 16 12s. I went to 32 12s just to make sure I didn't need any more. And then I start taking out the groups I need.